Today's video is a quick one to get a vote from you guys as to which brewing project I should start this weekend on my brew day. The two options are as follows. Option 1 is the Dublin Porter from Pinter. This one will be modified. We'll be using some dark malt and looking to improve the flavour, looking to improve the body and drive the ABV up. To top it all off, I'll be using this new adapter that I bought, which can inject nitrogen, and I've bought these small threadless nitrogen cartridges. So this was going to be the first time for me trying to inject nitrogen into a brew in the Pinter 3. So that's going to be an interesting one. Looking forward to the results on that. So that's option 1, Nitro Porter. Option 2 is a little project that I've come up with. This one started purely by the fact that I had this liquid malt extract pouch from Mangrove Jack's sitting around. Now this has been sitting around for over 12 months. I always thought to myself, oh, I'll use that up. I'll do a little modification on a brew. I'll tweak it with this. I'll enhance it with this. Never got around to using it. You know, something never came up that really I thought was needed and suitable. So I decided to go ahead, get this used up before it goes out of date. And how I've looked at doing that is to create a part grain recipe. So this part grain recipe is going to go through a mash, it's going to go through a boil, it's going to have all the hops added, and then it's going to be finished off with the liquid malt to complete the wort. Now, off the back of that, I've called this a high velocity pale ale because I intend to use Kveik yeast. Now, Kveik yeast is what I would say, if yeast was a dog, Kveik yeast would surely be an American pit bull terrier. It is going to rip through that fermentation quick sharp, probably in 24 hours flat. So as a little addition to that project, I'm going to see how fast I can get this fermented and conditioned and in a glass. So that's the second project, let's just call it high velocity pale ale. Yes, I've made up high velocity. I thought it just sounded good using Kveik yeast and fermenting at high speeds. I thought high velocity sounded quite dramatic. So yes, I've coined that phrase now. So if it becomes popular, hopefully it will be credited to me. Anything that I use Kveik yeast with for faster fermentation moving forward, it's going to be branded high velocity. So that's where we're at. Option 1, let's just call it the Nitro Porter. Option 2, high velocity pale ale. Let me know in the comments, just drop a note on which one of these you would like me to start this weekend, and I will proceed and go ahead and crack on with that. So that's it, the video is quick. I'll wait for your feedback and I'll get brewing at the weekend. Thank you, cheers.